Hi there, and welcome to Lesson 2.4, Durable Medical Equipment. In this lesson, you will learn how to order, verify coverage, and get a better understanding of durable medical equipment's uses and benefits. And nowadays, the benefits of people being able to use at-home medical devices are astounding. DME is proven to be the safest and most cost-effective option to prolong or eliminate the need for expensive medical procedures, help people lead more active lifestyles, help in the monitoring of chronic conditions, as well as save lives in the event of a medical emergency. This video may go a little fast, so if you haven't done so already, have the presentation notes in front of you. And be sure to watch the video all the way through for the first time, and then go back to the parts that you need more clarity on. This lesson equips you with the knowledge of having the right information to obtain the most appropriate DME, and your lesson takeaways will be to confidently know how to order DME, be a master at understanding coverage, and know the best way to work with your insurer, provider, and your pocketbook. Now, in order to reach our knowledge goals, this video will cover defining durable medical equipment, how to order, and uncover the factors of DME coverage and plan eligibility. Let's first define durable medical equipment. So what is durable medical equipment? Durable medical equipment, DME, is any equipment that provides therapeutic benefits to a patient in need because of certain medical conditions or illnesses. How we qualify durable medical equipment is that we answer yes to the following questions. Are they primarily and customarily used to serve a medical purpose and are not useful to a person in the absence of illness, disability, or injury? Number 2, they are ordered or prescribed by a physician. And number 3, are reusable and can stand repeated use and are appropriate for the use in the home. Now, let's take a look at how to order. The first way you can get your DME is through a store, a brick-and-mortar store that is often called a medical equipment supply company or orthotic and prosthetic shop. Your second purchasing option could be online. Custom fitting services are not included with your online purchase. Canes, catheters, and wheelchair accessories are all standard equipment that require minimal adjustments. You can find online medical suppliers by Googling your needed device through distributors like RehabMart. Or you can purchase directly through a manufacturer, where representatives may come to your home or therapy center to set up and train you on their specialized equipment and discuss the company's protocols. Now, let's take a deep dive into DME exclusions. Here's a list of the DME exclusions explained. Insurers are unlikely to approve unnecessary upgrades, which are the upgrades that are only intended for the insured convenience or comfort that do not significantly enhance the DME functionality. For example, lifts, spokes on wheels, and other wheelchair upgrades such as sound equipment will most likely be denied. Or there is no prescription. It is likely that the DME will be denied if there is no prescription by a licensed healthcare provider, or if you intend on the DME to be in public use. For example, you cannot share or place the equipment in a public setting for others to use without confirming medical necessity by licensed healthcare professionals. DME is likely to be denied if you are intending to enhance the environment. So when devices and equipment are used to enhance the environment setting, such as humidifiers or air conditioners, insurers will not cover the administrative service costs. This is pertaining to the equipment delivery service, setup, education, and training for the patient and family, and this is regardless of the agreement to rent or purchase. Your claim will also not be approved if there is a lapse in coverage. So, for example, if the permitted funds for a particular product had not been used for the insured coverage dates. Now, let's learn how to work with our insurance company. When working with insurance companies, it is important for you to conduct yourself as a professional patient. Like dealing with all insurers, your DME coverage checklist is the same. After you have verified your insurance coverage of DME, submit your claim as soon as possible. Make sure you have a script with the date, the medical codes, and the physician's information on it. Make sure what is written on the script and the product that you are receiving matches. And verify with your insurer that you have sufficient medical necessity for the equipment being prescribed. For clarity, ask the provider if they have any recommendations purchasing the DME, storefront, online, or have a manufacturer's representative come to your house. Doctors and insurers rely heavily on you and the success of your outcomes with DME. So follow the doctor's recommendations, adhere to the product's guidelines, and document the use of your equipment accordingly. And that concludes our lesson for today in understanding durable medical equipment and what we can do to obtain the right DME in the shortest and most convenient amount of time. Join me in our next course, where we will learn about healthcare finances and how to safeguard and protect our wallet from costly oversights.